I'm going to show you the number 9 and 1, which is 91. So I have made the number 9. Now I'm going to make the number 1. So now it is 91. Hello children, I'm going to show you how to make the number 92. So I have the number 9 here, and I'm going to make the number 2. This is the number 92 for all of you. Hello children, I'm going to show you how to make the number 93. So I have the number 9 here, and I'm going to make the number 3. Number 3, which is 9 and 3, which is 93 here. Okay children, so the next number that we're going to see is the number 94. I have made the number 9, and now I'm going to show you how to make the number 4. We have the number 94. Fantastic. Hello children, I'm going to show you how to make the number 95. I have made the number 9, and I'm going to show you how to make the number 5. Here we go. We have the number 5, which is 9 and 5, 95. Children, I'm going to show you how to make the number 96. I made the number 9 and I'm going to show you how to make the number 6. So this is the number 6 and here we have the number 96. Alright, now we're going to see the number 97. So I have made the number 9 for all of you, and I'm going to show you how to make the number 7. So this is the number 97. Alright, now we're going to see the number 98. So kids, I'm going to show you now how to make the number 8. Alright, so we have the number 8. So it's 9 and 8, which is 98. Okay, so children, now I'm going to show you how to make the number 99. I have made 9. I have made one 9 already, and I just have to make another 9. I have made the number 9 and 9, which is 99. Wow, excellent. Children, we are going to see the last number, which is 100. Are we all excited that we have learned so many numbers? Alright, so I'm going to show you 100. It's the number 1. Next, I'm going to make 2. Okay, I'm going to make another 0. Wow, so I have made 100. Alright children, are you all ready to make these numbers using the Play-Doh? I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Have fun children.
Hi kids, like this video? subscribe on more videos.